ladies, we got to get right into this because we're a little
Let's do
short
it.
on time today. Okay, I was thinking, um, and I watch a lot of like you guys. I watch a lot of clips and stuff like that. I got a question for you. Okay, so I've known both of you for probably about 15 years now. I know you're both in the real estate game, right? I know you were born in the same month, not the same year, but the same month, all right? And I know you've been in the game so long that I know you're both very successful at what you do. So you're probably wealth-wise, you're doing pretty good. You're up there. Okay, so the question is, it's taken you both a number of decades to probably get to where you are now, right? The question is, could you do it? Do you have the passion to do it again? If you had to do it, do you have the passion to build something that you've already built for like 20 years, but do you have it could be anything, but do you have the passion to still do something like that?